Hello and welcome to another wonderful day of Jamb examinations. I hope you are preparing for the exams and you're writing them very well. Some of you that wrote on Saturday might be expecting their results, and I want to use this opportunity to show us how we'll be able to see the results whenever they show. Now, once you get to jamb.org.ng, which is the official website of Jamb, just like you can see UTME 2020 examination slip, you will also see the results, UTME 2020 results. That is where you're supposed to, that is where our Jamb normally put the results. So when they put it there, you can easily click, just like you can click here, then put either your registration number or email to check your results. So from what they did the last time, we expect the results to start coming out very soon. So whenever it comes out, that is how you check your results. I hope that you're already using our channel to learn. This is our channel, Tclassified.com channel. We have lots and lots of videos for you. If you're preparing for your Jamb, if you're preparing for your WAEC, if you're preparing for IJMB, JUPEP, we have a school also where you can register to prepare for your IJMB and JUPEP. We teach very well and we are highly experienced. With our experience, it's more easier for you to pass. So this is the channel, Tclassified.com. You can see the various playlists, you can see past questions for 2019, different past questions already solved. You can learn a whole lot of things in our channel, Tclassified.com. If you're in the university, we also have university lectures. We have for Jamb, we have for WAEC and NECO, we have for programming and so many other things. So quickly rush to this channel, Tclassified.com on YouTube. If you can't find it, just enter YouTube and inside this search column, type in Tclassified.com. Once you type Tclassified.com, you'll be led to our channel. So that is how you get to our channel. Very easy. If you're in Nigeria and you're not subscribed to this very channel, then you are missing a whole lot, because that is where most Nigerians learn, and it is actually for free. So we'll teach you there for free. You can also go to our website, www.jambwaecnecouni.com. The website is very arranged for you to learn, to prepare for your IJMB and other things. Then when you tune into our channel or you're on our WhatsApp group, we normally give you information. Immediately after the Jamb, you need to get information about your post-UME as well as the training. We also give that. So you can see this is our website, jambwaecnecouni.com. You can see this is mathematics, this is commerce. Anything you want to learn, you can see it here and learn. So quickly go to the website and check it out. And most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting information whenever you need them. Now, this is my phone number, +234 70 671 If you want to get to me so that I can give you more information about our ongoing JUPEP and IJMB. IJMB and JUPEP, we are the best in it. Anywhere that you are in Nigeria, you can register with us. We'll prepare you through our online means. During the exams, you come down, you write your exams, you pass, and you move forward. Our teachers are the best, and it's very good that you align with us. When you check the description part of this video down, you're going to see the WhatsApp link. If you want to be learning in our WhatsApp, it's completely free of charge. You can click on the link and join the group. That is where students make useful discussions on exams, help each other solve out exams, and also we will relate our videos. All these are videos, we share them on the WhatsApp group from time to time. So please quickly hit the subscribe button and keep in touch. Click the bell icon so that anytime we release, immediately the results are out, we also release a video that shows you how to go about the results. So any information that you want, you will get it here in Tclassified.com. Thank you and God bless you.